Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I was deciding to make an instant cake which is made out of bread, and it is also very easy to make. Just put some bread and chocolate, that's it. So we are gonna show you how we made it. Take a mixing bowl, then add some leftover milk chocolate compound and dark chocolate compound because we didn't have that much, so that's why we did only leftovers. Then we are gonna melt it now with double boiler, vase or microwave. In which bowl we are doing, we obviously have to take a microwave safe bowl. Then we are gonna do it in a microwave. We boil the water very hot. You can also boil it again if you want. Add 1/3 cup of milk. With the dark compound and milk compound chocolate, it was fully 1 cup, so we added 1/3 cup of milk. Now our chocolate syrup is ready. Now keep it aside. We took 4 milk bread. You can take more or less if you want. Now cut all the brown sides of the bread. Now we are gonna decorate the bread. First put some chocolate syrup, then put the bread, then we are gonna put some milk, and after the milk we are gonna pour some chocolate syrup, and then repeat this process another 3 times. You can also put 3 bread if you want. Now we have some leftover chocolate syrup, so we are gonna put it on top and all the sides. Now we're gonna put the chocolate on side with spatula. Now we're gonna clean the leftover chocolate with a tissue paper. If you put it in the fridge for 2 hours, the taste will be more. Now let's put some grated milk compound on top. Now let's add some cherry so that it looks very pretty and nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.